and a very warm welcome. Thank you, Renu and Anshika, for joining in. And we are going to read about admitting faults is not a defeat. From this amazing book, The Courage to be Disliked. And let me quickly start sharing the screen so that we can read it together. Hello, Komal. Thank you for joining in. We have just started, and today we are reading about admitting faults is not a defeat. By the way, Komal,
Yes, yes.
the time is 9:45. Okay. All right.
Actually, yeah, Karishma, I will just tell. Yes, yeah, I know time. The thing was, I was helping mom. I was giving Reiki to her. She's not well. Yeah. So I just completed that giving Reiki and just came here. Yeah. Thank you.
I hope she gets well soon.
Yeah,
Got-
she gets well soon. And if she requires, I'll just again maybe take care.
Yes,
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you.
got this. All right. Admitting fault is not a defeat. Youth says, all right, then what should you do when you're subjected to personal attacks right to your face? Do you just grin and bear it? Philosopher, no. The idea that you are bearing it is proof that you are still stuck in the power struggle. When you are challenged to a fight and you sense that it is the power struggle, step down from the conflict as soon as possible. Do not answer his action with a reaction. That is the only thing we can do. Youth. But is it really that easy not to respond to provocation? In the first place, how would you say I should control my anger? Philosopher. When you control your anger, you are bearing it, right? Instead, let's learn a way to settle things without using emotion of anger. Because after all, anger is a tool, a means for achieving a goal. Youth. That's a tough one. Philosopher. The first thing that I want you to understand here is the fact that anger is a form of communication. And that communication is nevertheless possible without using anger. We can convey our thoughts and intentions and be accepted without any need of anger. If you learn to understand this experientially, the anger emotion will stop appearing all on its own. Youth. But what if they come at you with mistaken accusation and making insulting comments? I shouldn't get angry even then. This happens many a times, right? कभी मम्मी ने बोल दिया, कभी हस्बैंड ने कुछ बोल दिया, एंड देन वी फील कि अरे ये तो नॉट
This book is having, I mean, all the questions we can have. It
यस
this question would have come, so he's keeping those questions. Next question, I would have put this thing. If what if they are criticizing? What if they are hurting?
और इंसल्ट कर रहे हैं, हमारी इंसल्ट कर रहे हैं, तुझको तो कुछ आता ही नहीं, तू तो पागल है, तू तो
Exactly.
बेकार है,
Hmm.
तू किसी लायक नहीं है, देन तब भी गुस्सा
Yeah.
आए क्या?
Should we
फिलोसफी
read forward? Should we read forward or guess what can come?
गेस करो, लेट्स हियर.
Um, Normally, what we do is we react. I react. I cannot say we react. I definitely react, and I feel deeply triggered when it is about my self-worth. And people say your self-worth is down. Like you also tell me that why don't you love yourself enough so that you don't get chipak raha hai kya? It's like, but I always get triggered. Till now, it's not achieved. Till now, I have not achieved this thing. Power struggle, and then something which is I'm I am what they say. It
Hmm.
is like I am putting like what I am becoming what they are saying.
Hmm.
Since childhood, what they are saying I am becoming. It is not like I am what I know about myself. Wow, Komal.
वाओ.
है ना?
तो ऐसे बच्चे भी करते हैं ना, छोटे बच्चों को कह दो तुझको तो कुछ आता ही नहीं है, कुछ आता ही नहीं है, एंड देन किड्स गेट एंग्री एंड दे से ठीक है, मुझे तो कुछ आता ही नहीं है, तो फिर मैं करूँ ही क्यों, मुझे कुछ नहीं आता, अब कर लो जो करना है.
Yeah, we take all in. We take all in. You are this, you are that. We are just programmed by those all the messages we keep on hearing, and it was just we were thinking we are reading in books, but we become that. Hmm. I feel we become that. In morning also, I was talking to my mother. Like it is like we become that something that all the we are putting inside this. And maybe Karishma, from your experiences, something you got so beautiful. Some that messages from your mother you told sometimes not to something you told yesterday about that you had that learning and that went deep inside you or definitely we can carry through past lives also but we learn from this one too many a things because past is not seen it can be in subconscious but we don't know what we did in those lives, right? So we
Yes.
don't have those memories in front of us,
Hmm.
but about this one we can yeah we know some, obviously we know since our yeah from our childhood and more memories and we try to relate those things. Hmm. So yeah, we are learning how to deprogram that
एंड
and
द थिंग इज कि जब हम बच्चे होते हैं तो हमारे को एक्चुअल में जेन्युइनली नहीं पता होता. वी ट्रस्ट आवर पेरेंट्स सो मच कि जो वो
so
बोलते हैं
much.
हम वो बन जाते हैं. Now that we are evolved souls, we should understand that we are not labeling our kids in a negative way.
Hmm.
There is a very
Programming.
beautiful term known as self-fulfilling prophecy. And
Yes,
my
yes.
dad has lived up to that. When my mom used to tell me ना, किशी तू बहुत ज्यादा मोटी हो गई है. This is
Hmm.
unacceptable. My dad used to
Right.
tell me, you look very beautiful right now. You look perfect, but 1 kilo extra will destroy this beauty.
Okay.
And I was always in this ki, nahi, everything is perfect. It's good. I am okay.
Hmm.
I am good the way I look. इससे ज्यादा नहीं होना है.
Hmm.
And he never made this any of the things, difficult for us. Marks भी कम आते थे ना, तो you used to think, very good, well done. You are so smart, you are so intelligent. And the child thinks, yes,
Hmm.
actually I am intelligent. वो तो बाय
Yes.
चांस में थोड़ा सा कंसंट्रेट कम किया तो नंबर नहीं आए.
I'm loving this parenting. I am loving this. Even if we don't know. Definitely, you tell they have read the books, but it must have come from their experience, plus some of the things which they learned, and it's a good thing. Yeah,
My
definitely.
dad has not
Mm.
read this book. He has read Eat That Frog.
No, no. Oh, I mean any of the things in the world. I'm not telling this one. Obviously, we don't know if it was written or not that time. मतलब when they were parenting you, I mean about that time we are talking. So the things which they ingrained in them, it is not about books. It's ingrained in them. Knowledge was wisdom. Yeah, good
Yes.
to have. We can pass
So
on now. We
at
can
least, at
we can.
least if we have that communication in here, at least if we four are there, we can imbibe such good points in ourselves and use it in our parenting. Maybe किसी
Yeah.
बच्चे बहुत बड़े हो गए होंगे, but still अब से
Mm.
start हो जाएगा. किसी के बच्चे छोटे,
And
किसी के नहीं होंगे.
and yes, and for me, I'm a teacher, so I can do for other kids.
Yes, absolutely.
Yes, it's
Have
not
you
like
seen जो
yeah,
टीचर बच्चों को अप्रिशिएट करती है ना,
hmm,
उसको बच्चे फेवरेट टीचर बोलते हैं अपना. And
yeah,
that teacher has the knack, that teacher has the ability to mold the child as they want. Be that teacher.
true. The way Muskan shares, like she could even heal the patient, heal
Yes.
the lady in the hospital by showing her love and trust and that care. She could heal that patient. She could yeah revive her life.
Yes,
So anything is possible in life. Yes.
absolutely. सबसे पहला पॉइंट है मीट वेयर दे आर. अरे पहले ही बच्चा एम्बेरस्ड है कि नंबर कम आए हैं, ऊपर से तुम तलवार लेके चढ़ जाओ ते 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 ते. व्हाट इज गोइंग टू हैपन? वो तो वैसे ही एम्बेरस्ड होगा, ऊपर से तुम और बोल दोगे तो और ही उसकी तो छल्ली छल्ली हो जाएगा बेचारा.
Definitely. What was the question in this one, which we were trying to know? Power struggle, this thing?
वी वर
Like
टॉकिंग
how?
अबाउट कि जब हमारे को कोई इंसल्ट भी कर रहा है तब भी हमारे को गुस्सा ना आए
Hmm.
ऐसे कैसे.
This thing, no? when even if we are getting triggered, how is it possible? For what ways? Okay, Renu and Anshika and Grishma, let's see if one or two ways if we can find if someone is triggering. That is what is told. It's a reaction, but what can we do?
Hmm.
What can we do instead of that? How can we? Let's find out ideas. How can we remain actively aware that this is going into power struggle? Let's find out. Is it like seeing on the? We can form those anchors.
Hmm.
How will I remember? How can we remember that this can lead to power struggle, or this, like how not to get triggered? If I want to remember that your worth is more than this thing, or that you don't need to prove yourself.
मैं तो एक एग्जांपल बोलूंगी, रिमेंबर ऑफ द पिग.
Yes, yes.
रिमेंबर द स्टोरी ऑफ द पिग.
Story of the pig. Okay.
मेरे तो दिमाग में
Yes.
सिर्फ वही चलती है. व्हेन इट कैन वर्क ऑन अ स्मॉल चाइल्ड, व्हाई कांट इट
Yes.
वर्क फॉर मी?
Yeah, that's important. That you
What
are
about
not.
you, Renu? How do you use such, what do you use to, not get triggered, not get angry and snap out?
Working on that, how I'm doing it. Ki your self-worth and self-esteem and self-respect
Hmm.
all are with you, right? Likewise, if for example, if a postman comes to you, it's a very uh, deep thing to say, but and very difficult to
Implement.
apply. Yes, implement on it. But still, we are grown up now and we should work on it now. It's high time, right? So, पानी यहाँ तक आ चुका है. So, please. So, what I'll suggest is, जैसे if a wrong envelope comes to you, parcel comes to you, you don't take it, right? You say, no, this person, this is not mine. Please don't take it away,
It's
right?
on my name. It's on
हाँ.
my name. Not my
And
name.
and the पुराना वाला is like कि हम कार रोड पे कील है पत्थर है तो you cannot put carpet on the world road, right? Likewise, what you will do, you wear your chappals and then you will move. Likewise, you cannot change people, their behavior toward us, their matlab, you can't prove yourself every time. You're wasting your time in that. Rather, elevate yourself in that. Start working on yourself. How? Everybody has, they know their inside, they know what we will do, and it will elevate us. Right? You have to find your niche in that. What makes you happy?
इनफैक्ट
What
अगर
makes you
कोई
at peace?
क्रिटिसाइज इनफैक्ट कोई क्रिटिसाइज कर रहा है ना, एक बार अपने आप के ऊपर सेल्फ रिफ्लेक्ट करके ही देख लो कि सच्ची में कहीं ये है तो नहीं रियलिटी. और
Yes, true, true.
just in case this much of it is also true now, work on it.
Yes, yes. Work on it and be. I'm working on being more polite, more respectful. Then again, if that thing is coming again in your life, you be emotionally unavailable for that person. I would suggest that because
Yeah,
you can't do
Krishna.
anything, right?
But will we not become doubtful if we start thinking about, no, not about Renu saying, if Karishma was saying ना that थोड़ा सा है तो नहीं हमारे में, तो वो मेरे को अगर श्योर नहीं है ऑलरेडी कि मैं क्या हूँ, right? If they are saying pig तो मैं pig सोचने लग गई तो what if
अपनी
I'm
शक्ल
not a pig?
do I look like a pig?
Oh God, are we see
यहाँ पे
this
पिग
was
की
this
फोटो रखो, यहाँ पे पिग की फोटो रखो और यहाँ पे अपनी फोटो रखो. पिग नहीं लग रही हूँ.
but that is about a pig, right? It is if somebody
See, that
is
is
saying
all
something else.
acceptance.
Huh.
If you think
If
yourself as a pig, then nobody can change that too. Komal, if
no,
you are nowhere like a pig,
I
but
want
थोड़ा
to
सा
say, I
doubt
just
अगर
want to
होगा
say,
कि मैं कहीं से pig हूँ क्या, then nobody can change. And pig is just a reference. It can be like
yeah,
inferior,
there only I'm
superior,
saying this.
or proud, arrogant, whatever identity. It's not just pig. Pig is a reference, but it can be any
Yeah,
identity. Pig, चलो बहुत distinguish कर पा रहे हैं, but
huh.
we won't be able to distinguish like, am I a pride person
There
or
I am
not?
saying
Am
now
I a rude
where we are
person or
not,
not?
That only I'm
That is
saying.
acceptance. The moment it's their truth, it's not your truth. Why you have to accept that? If I am saying, Komal, tu to pagal hai, just okay. It is a possibility कि थोड़ा सा doubt आ जाए कि मैं पागल तो नहीं हूँ क्या?
That only I'm saying. This only I'm saying now.
Right? But this is my way of seeing you, and I'm giving a rude example. Sorry for that. This is my way of seeing you. Why you have to prove to me कि तुम पागल हो कि नहीं हो? कोमल तुम बहुत सुंदर हो. My way of seeing you. Why you have to prove to me कि तुम सुंदर हो? For anything, just for kid also. So anytime when anybody is saying, it is their
I
model
can
of world.
understand is we need.
It's nothing to do with
I
you.
can understand is we need hard
See,
core concepts, core beliefs.
acknowledgement. So the question we started, like how to not get triggered, the easiest and most effective way is, I agree with Renu, like all that she said is totally true. For me is acknowledge. What they are saying is their model of world. So I'm like, bol to sahi rahe ho. Whatever they say, from their perspective, they are saying it right. I want to take it or not take it, my choice now, right? So acknowledge what they said. Like today's session started with that contradictory, and I'm like, this is the example. Like, should I go or not?
Go on.
Which
Yeah.
contradiction? Which
Please.
contradiction?
What was the
Contradiction, subah. Just before starting the session, something contradictory happened.
Okay.
Okay.
For you, with you guys only, when you Karishma addressed, like you are, we start at 45,
Acha.
not at 10. So is it okay to go ahead, or you don't want to go?
नहीं, बोलो ना, बोलो, it's okay.
It's okay. No, Komal is okay.
Yeah, I'm okay. Okay, let's see.
Let's
Definitely.
see. Okay. See what happened. Karishma said session starts at 9:45, and the
Right.
truth is you came 10 o'clock. What you did?
Right.
And I'm not pinning you, okay? Don't take it. Just take it as example,
yeah.
because this is a live example we saw.
Uh-huh.
What you did?
So, I told the reason that I came
Why it
at
was
10
important
because
for you to tell the reason?
why was it important? Because I consider her as she can understand the thing that
Right.
someone.
Imagine a room of 10,000 people. Okay.
Okay.
This room is of 10,000 people. And now that you entered at 10 o'clock and the coach says it was supposed to be 9:45, it's 10 now. Would you have given
Then,
that answer?
no, then it would be different. Then I'll say, pardon me.
Why?
I had some.
Why?
Then I'll say, see.
But still you have to give the excuse. See, this is where I am telling, and see, we all are learning. What could be like what Karishma said was right. We are supposed to come 9:45, we are coming 10 o'clock, and that was right, and that's the truth for the session. What you were going through, what I was like, I turned up like same as you. I turned up camera now. So basically I was also not present for like 20 minutes, first 20 minutes. And if I have to give a story, like I have a lot of story, but own your story. You don't have to tell your story. मुझे पता था वो 20 मिनट मैंने क्या किया है, and that was important for me, so I choose that instead of turning on camera and sitting. Right? So I don't have to tell Karishma ने मुझसे पूछा कि इसका तो कैमरा बंद रहेगा. Starting में she said like आज तो इसका कैमरा बंद रहेगा, ये स्कूल में है. मैंने कहा नहीं, बंद नहीं रहेगा. I'm finishing up something, I will come back. So own it. And this is a muscle we have to build. We don't have to justify other people what we are feeling. Why we have to prove ourselves to other? Just own it. 9:45 का टाइम था, मैं 10:05 पे कैमरा ऑन कर रही हूँ, so I'm basically 20 minutes late. बोल तो तुम सही रही हो करिश्मा. Yes, you were right. Acknowledge that. If it's right. करिश्मा बोले मैं आई हूँ, कैमरा तब से ऑन कर रखा है, फिर भी बोल रही है कि यार कैमरा क्यों नहीं ऑन किया है. Then करिश्मा, no, I have turned my camera on. Just tell her that.
My point.
But
yeah.
That's true. That's true. But that point is true for you. It's not relevant for any of us.
I'm saying something else. I'm not saying about that point. I want to say something else. Sometimes we become friendly with each other. then I want to understand your concept also, but I'm just telling something different. That in that meetings, I may say, okay, yeah, this thing happened. I will not tell whole story. But here I felt I was like, we have become that way sometimes. Like it's about person to person. Like sometimes, as Karishma is giving examples, I will definitely ponder upon what you were saying also, and I'm saying this thing also, that sometimes this happens, this becomes my nature, uh, to tell about what's going on. So about it, yeah.
See, it is basically, yeah, the point exactly said in the book, that we are taking it as a personal attack. So the moment someone says you did something that is not right, we see it as a personal attack, right? Or somebody
Okay.
says why you did this, we see as a personal attack. अरे मुझसे ऐसे कैसे पूछ लिया, मुझे ऐसे कैसे बोल दिया, and then we find a reason to
Justify.
defend that हाँ, तो exactly justify that. So that's the book is telling, and हम अभी वही perspective देखेंगे कि वो क्या बोल रहे हैं.
Again, I will have my
But
justification that yesterday, like Karishma told, it's her birthday of a daughter. She can also say just an urgent work. She loved to tell ना कि
हाँ,
birthday है घर पे.
tell a detail, हाँ. And for me, to be honest, for that
Right?
reaction, I was करिश्मा को नहीं पता था क्या कि उसका birthday है. She knew that she was supposed to cancel the session. Why she didn't said it a day before, right? And that was my perception. Was I wrong or right? मैं जाके लड़ सकती थी करिश्मा से, यार तू आज क्यों बता रही, तेरे को तो पहले बताना चाहिए था, राइट? मैंने प्लान कर लिया था, मैं तो सेशन के लिए रेडी थी, मैं आई तो जब देखा कि मैसेज है कि बर्थडे है. See, this is my model of, but what I chose to do, okay, that's your truth for now. Detail
Like
कितना,
Vikas
it's
sir
not
went,
about detail, how
same
much
way
detail is you are
Aradha
giving.
teacher went
The
suddenly.
purpose of giving detail, कोमल डिटेल पे नहीं है. करिश्मा ने बर्थडे बताया, वो पर्सनल वर्क भी बता सकती थी, बट इट डजंट मैटर डिटेल. द पर्पस ऑफ गिविंग डिटेल, डिटेल से कोई मतलब नहीं है. मैं डिटेल दे क्यों रही हूँ, करिश्मा ने डिटेल क्यों दिया, ताकि आप लोग समझो कि अच्छा आज एक्चुअली कुछ अर्जेंट है.
हाँ वही.
आपने बताया टू टेल
मुझे लग रहा
समथिंग
है मेरा और
एक्चुअली
वो
इज
वाला सेम
इम्पोर्टेंट.
आंसर है. सेम
हाँ,
आंसर है
सेम
शायद से,
आंसर है, सेम
है
आंसर
ना?
है, बिल्कुल सेम आंसर है.
हम्म.
बट पॉइंट इज, आप हर जगह सेम नहीं बिहेव कर रहे हो ना. 1000 रूम 10,000 की पीपल में यू आर नॉट आंसरिंग द सेम वे. सो मीन्स यू कैन चेंज योर आंसर, एंड द क्वेश्चन नाउ इज व्हाई यू हैव टू जस्टिफाई. इवन
So
करिश्मा,
it's
व्हाई
not
शी हैज
about
टू
this room,
जस्टिफाई कि
Komal.
बर्थडे था.
Anshika, एक second.
नॉट इन,
It
हाँ,
is not about this room. It's about the outside life. It's about when you deal with your people around you. You have to own it. That is what exactly in Anshika wants to, put in your head कि हमारे को हर चीज की रीजनिंग देने की जरूरत नहीं है, हमारे को हर चीज की जस्टिफिकेशन देने की जरूरत नहीं है. हाँ, मैं लेट हूं तो हूं. अभी मेरे को हर किसी को मतलब सी वी आर क्लोज टू ईच अदर, वी हैव बिल्ट अ some kind of a rapport with each other, because of which we open up very frankly with each other. We are in a very open space
Yes.
wherein
Yeah.
we are pouring our heart out. जो भी हमारे दिल में है हम शेयर कर रहे हैं. So it's okay in here. But when we go in the
Yeah.
outside world, we have to think कि मेरे को ये क्यों बताना है, मुझको क्यों बताने की जरूरत है कि मेरे घर में क्या हुआ. Not everybody needs to know what is happening in your house. I had some urgent work and hence I joined late. Can also be an answer. अगर आपको कहीं बाहर जाओ, आपको कोई मीटिंग होती, मे बी सीसीडी में कैफेटेरिया, सीसीडी में किसी ने आपको बुलाया होता कि चलो हमारी ये मीटिंग है, आप वहां पे 5 मिनट लेट पहुंचते, तो वुड यू टेल दैट XYZ पर्सन whom you do not know at all कि मेरे घर में ना ये प्रॉब्लम हो गई थी? नहीं. I had some urgency because of which I got late. I'm sorry.
you will acknowledge, we acknowledge that this is what you said is right. It's my part of mistake. I don't have to justify anybody. हाँ, वही friend होता है यार, आज तो traffic बहुत थी. We
हाँ.
change differently, but here we are talking as a person, we are showing up. It's like, this is of course a group, and I agree with Karishma for that. Yeah. So, and we are all learning.
Yes, and I also learned something here right now.
हाँ मतलब Anshika is also teaching that we can even refrain from we have to check कि हम उस वे में तो नहीं बता रहे होते कि एज अ गिल्ट फैक्टर और एज अ एक्सक्यूज
किसी
फैक्टर,
होटल में
बस
नाम
ये ध्यान
बताओ।
में रखो,
वी
ये ध्यान
वी
में रखो।
नॉर्मली आंसर, आप देखो इसको, मैं आपको कुछ बोलूं फॉर पिग, जैसे करिश्मा पिग बोलती है, मैं आपको बोलूं आपके बाल पर्पल हैं, राइट, व्हाट यू विल से?
एक्चुअली आई
कोमल
लर्न
आपके
दिस
बाल
इन
पर्पल है,
कार्तिका's
हाँ,
I have,
या यू नो, देन ऑल्सो आंसर मी।
yeah,
यार
no,
स्काई, मेरे घर का
my
स्काई आज पिंक कलर का है, पता है, आज हमारे यहाँ बादल पिंक कलर के हैं। है तो है, तुम्हारे लिए, गुड फॉर यू, व्हाई शुड आई केयर?
तुमने स्पेक्स ही लगाए होंगे पिंक कलर के।
सेम इज फॉर एनी इंफॉर्मेशन, सेम इज फॉर एनी इंफॉर्मेशन। तुम
yeah,
ऐसे हो, तुम वैसे हो, दिस इज माई, मेरा आसमान पिंक है, मे बी मेरे स्कूल में ब्लू को पिंक सिखाया गया है,
actually,
यू डोंट नो दोज
yeah,
थिंग्स।
yeah, so it is
सो
about we can
या,
link into criticism वाला लिंक करो ना इसको इस चीज से, कि हम कैसे क्रिटिसिज्म में क्यों ट्रिगर होते हो।
क्योंकि वी फील जज्ड, we feel judged
हम्म,
anytime when we feel. So see, in NLP also there is a concept where we don't ask why question. The moment we ask why, we feel triggered, and the reason for
ओके हम
that is, हमें why कभी भी अच्छे काम के लिए नहीं पूछा जाता है। यार रेनू, तुम इतने अच्छे से कैसे स्माइल कर लेती हो? यार करिश्मा, तुम इतना अच्छा सेशन कैसे कर लेती हो? नोबडी आस्क्ड दैट। करिश्मा, तुम आज लेट क्यों आई? करिश्मा, तुमने आज ऐसे बाल क्यों बनाए? लाइक पीपल जज फॉर नेगेटिव। सो for generations we have seen why only for when things are done wrong. तुमने कपड़े ऐसे क्यों रखे हैं? तुमने फोल्ड करके रखे हैं, पे तुमने ऐसे कपड़े फोल्ड क्यों कर दिए? कोई नहीं पूछता है, बट कपड़े खराब रखे तो सबने बोला। So we are wired with why for a negative thing. So anytime why question comes, अब तारीफ के लिए भी why question comes ना, then you will think कि कहीं उसका कुछ तो intention नहीं है ना। We are wired for that, and that's the reason. And when somebody, this is a nature, when somebody says तुमने कुछ गलत किया है, it automatically tells our subconscious तुम उनसे कम हो, right? And the moment somebody tell कि तुम किसी भी चीज में उससे कम हो, तुमने ऑर्गेनाइज अच्छे से नहीं किया, तुमने शो अच्छे से नहीं किया, it takes us to बैलेंस आउट कि नहीं, हम तुम्हारे बराबर तो एटलीस्ट हैं, हम इतने नीचे नहीं हैं, and for that our ego justifies that कि ऐसा कैसे है। बट पीपल हु आर इवॉल्व इनफ, दे आर लाइक ठीक है, दैट इज योर थॉट, मैं नीचे हूं तो तुम्हारे हिसाब से नीचे हूं, मैं नीचे नहीं हूँ। लाइक माई हस्बैंड सेज कि तुम कपड़े इतने खराब क्यों रखती हो, इतने फैला के क्यों रखती हो? द ट्रूथ इज कपड़े फैले हुए हैं। अब मैं उनको जस्टिफाई कर सकती हूँ, इतना काम है मेरे पास, इतना ये है मेरे पास, मैं नहीं कर पाती हूँ, मेरे को नहीं मन करता है, मुझे नहीं समझ में आता, देयर आर 10,000 रीजंस, बट अल्टीमेटली द ट्रुथ इज कपड़े खराब रखे हैं, एंड हिज जजमेंट डज नॉट डिटरमाइन माई मॉरल वैल्यूज। मैंने अगर कपड़े गंदे तरीके से रखे थे, दैट डजंट मेक मी अ लेसर पर्सन, राइट? मेरे घर में अगर आज झाड़ू नहीं लगा, दैट डजंट मेक मी अ लेसर पर्सन, दैट वाज अ वर्क, आई वाज सपोज्ड टू डू इट, आई डिडंट डू इट, दैट्स ऑल। बट हम उसको जस्टिफाई करने लगते हैं, एंड वी आर एंटाइटल्ड फॉर दैट बिकॉज वी फील जज्ड, एंड फील जज्ड होता है तो जब भी हम अपना, क्या बोलना चाहिए, हम अपने आप को छोटा फील करते हैं, फिर अपने आप को बड़ा करने के लिए हम जस्टिफिकेशन देते हैं।
we start
बट
feeling
अगर
why
वो
he is
नीडी
feeling
हटा
this
दो,
way.
सॉरी,
I start feeling, or we start feeling that why he is thinking this way when I don't think this way. मतलब we start to justify. Can you have a better image?
जस्टिफाई,
Why I'm trying that he should have a better image for me.
व्हाई, या, दिस इज मी, दिस इज मी। अच्छी लग रही हो तो ठीक, नहीं भी लग रही हो तो साथ ही रहना है, तुम्हारे पास ऑप्शन नहीं है, राइट? सो या, so
चलो
that's
लेट्स
why we
Barely
judge. So
know.
anytime,
लेट्स सी कि अब ऑथर बोल क्या रहा है।
yeah, what author says, yeah, I'm also curious, yeah.
Philosopher says, you don't seem to understand yet. It's not that you must not get angry, but that there is no need to rely on the tool of anger. Irascible people do not have short temper. It is only that they do not know that there are effective communication tools other than anger. That is why people end up saying things like, I just snapped, or he flew into a rage. We end up relying on anger to communicate. Youth says, effective communication tool other than anger. Philosopher, we have language. We can communicate through language. Believe in the power of language and language of logic. Youth. Certainly, if I did not believe in that, we wouldn't be having this dialogue. Philosopher. One more thing about power struggles. In every instance, no matter how much you might think you are right, try not to criticize the other party on that basis. This is an interpersonal relationship trap that many people fall into. In every instance, no matter how much you might think you are right, try not to criticize the other party on that basis. Youth, why is that? Philosopher, the moment one is convinced that I am right in an interpersonal relationship, one has already stepped into a power struggle. Youth, just because I think you are right, no way. That's just blowing things out of proportion. Philosopher, I'm right. That is to say, the other party is wrong. अगर मैं right हूं तो मतलब तुम wrong हो. At that point, the focus of the discussion shifts from the rightness of the assertion to the state of interpersonal relationship. In other words, the conviction that I am right leads to the assumption that this person is wrong. And finally, it becomes the contest, and you are thinking, I have to win. It's a power struggle through and through. Youth. Philosopher. In the first place, the rightness of one's assertion has nothing to do with winning or losing. If you think you are right, regardless of what other people's opinion might be, the matter should be closed then and there. However, many people will rush into the power struggle and try to make others submit to them. And that is why they think of admitting a mistake or admitting defeat. And that is why they think of admitting a mistake as admitting defeat. Okay. Youth. Yes, there definitely is that aspect. Philosopher. Because of one's mindset of not wanting to lose, one is unable to admit one's mistake, the result being that one ends up choosing the wrong path. Admitting mistakes, conveying words of apology, and stepping down from power struggles, none of these things is defeat. The pursuit of superiority is not something that is carried out through competition with other people. So when you hung up on winning and losing, you lose the ability to make the right choices. Philosopher. Yes, it clouds your judgment. And all you can see is imminent victory or defeat. Then you turn down the wrong path. It's only when we take away the lens of competition and winning and losing that we can begin to correct and change ourselves. Wow. All right. Hello, Anjana ji. How are you?
Hello. Hi, Karishma. I'm fine.
Great. Nice to have you.
Thank you so much.
Let's hear it. Let's hear it. Who would like to share?
I think this is now the game has come to observing more. We cannot speak anymore, I feel now. We have to read this and accept it. Game has come over there that we cannot keep on talking now. It has to get inside us, what this
Internalize.
page was about.
So the problem
Internalize.
is कि हम जब तक winning and losing के game में रहेंगे, in the trap of winning and losing, in the trap of competition, we will keep on justifying ourselves. We will keep on saying something or the other, right? Because there is some purpose that is being solved. हम जब भी अपने आप को बड़ा बनाएंगे, किसी और को छोटा बनाने की कोशिश करेंगे. जब भी हम कहेंगे मैं right हूं, तो we are proving that you are wrong. We have to cut down from all of it. तूने टॉवल नहा के बेड पे क्यों छोड़ा? मैं ठीक हूं, पर मैंने उसके साथ साथ सामने वाले को गलत बना दिया.
Hmm. We can try to say this in a way if we want it, that I would love this to be this, but don't say this is right, this is wrong. Suppose husband wife, she can tell to the husband that I may love it this way, right? I may love it to be there. She can tell that, but this was wrong.
आप हमेशा यहाँ पे क्यों रख देते हो, समझ नहीं आती है, हर रोज बताना पड़ता है. This is what we do.
No, I'm saying what we can do. कि like today I'm putting it on. कल से please आप रख लेना. It would be better.
Communication is the
Communication.
key.
Respect.
अभी मैंने गुस्से से
भाई
बोला.
प्लीज, हाँ, कि प्लीज आज मैं रख रही हूँ अनिल जी, कल आप कर लेना ना प्लीज. मैं भी आई एम ऑल्सो ना बिजी. No,
That is so cute. है ना?
I do this way.
Exactly. That is how it has to happen, because communication is the only key that we can converse, right? अभी
और
मैं गुस्से से बोल रही हूँ.
जैसे ही आपने बोला, जैसे ही आर्ग्यू किया,
तो फिर तो ईगो आ जाएगी ना. देख, मैं बताता हूँ, मैं तो नहीं रखता, जो करना है.
हाँ,
Oh
जो
my
करना
God.
है.
Now
Yes.
रेणु
रोज
जी
कर.
ने जो बोला, रेणु जी ने जो बताया, I am thinking, has I ever used this ever? मतलब
Because
always I'm
we
thinking,
are
कहाँ पे क्यों रखा है?
here, ego should go down. एक को तो स्टार्ट करना पड़ेगा. And it's not
Decide what
मतलब अगर
is important.
पीस चाहिए ना तो अपन क्यों नहीं, नहीं?
You have to decide what is more important, your ego or the relationship.
Yes, very true, very true.
What do you suggest, Sanjana ji?
I'm thinking on my own relationship with my husband. कि What am I doing? I'm internalizing it.
And what about the kids? पढ़ाई नहीं करते, पढ़ाई नहीं करते, पढ़ाई नहीं करते.
My kids are they
Older.
are no more kids. Yes, they are
But
staying
maybe it
away.
depends on how you were when they were kids, no?
Yeah, but that is a long time ago. They are now grown up adults.
Yes.
But kids teaches us. After kids only we learn. Before kids we don't understand any relationship.
Yeah, that is true.
That is true. मतलब मेरे को तो ऐसा personal I'm saying. After my kid, not that patience, that means if I am putting my ego aside for this person, why not this person? Right? भाई इसको इतना प्यार कर रही हूँ तो उनको भी कर ही लूँ ना.
And I was asking same for mom, if you can listen to father, if I am also saying you, why cannot you do that for me? But it's her choice. She says there, she's not afraid. Again, that concept which
अंशिका ने
like
कल
battles.
बताया था.
I think yes. So she was like, I can say to you, but I cannot say there. I cannot try there. She's afraid. Maybe she can think
तुम्हारे
about it.
उनको तुम अपना बच्चा दिखती हो.
Hmm.
उनको आपके पापा हायर अथॉरिटी दिखते हैं.
Higher authority, हाँ.
तो
And
किसको
she
बोल सकते
also thinks that person will not listen. वही higher authority है ना. So, but I say, okay, I'm also not listening, Mama. I am also not listening. I'm telling to you. I think, see, here also no change can happen, because sometimes it is between that higher authority and me. It was between matter.
Point. You cannot change anyone. Only you yourself can transform. You cannot,
Why?
whatever relation
Yeah.
on
Why
this
she's
earth.
thinking? Why she's thinking that she can teach me? I was saying you cannot. I was like, here also it will not be possible. So try otherwise. So better to try otherwise. I'm saying you here, because the tussle was between that higher authority and me. That higher authority and me. It is about me. Then how? I was like, you can
कोमल
explain
इज
that.
आल्सो थिंकिंग कि मैं भी शेरनी हूँ, मेरे को कैसे दबा रहे हो. दो शेर है सामने, बीच में बेचारी बकरी फंस गई.
because listen, because that higher authority and that woman were not see, higher authority and woman. I was a protector of that woman, my wife. Right, I was always the rebellion, not always, but from whichever time. So I am protecting her. Now, how can that authority, the mama, how can, let me tell, how can mom again try to be against? Because she has never stood for, because she has never tried to stand for that matter. I
You
was
have to
always doing
understand
that
कि जब
job.
वो ले रही थी कुछ भी, वो जब
Hmm.
पापा से कुछ भी ले रही थी, whether it was
Hmm.
positive or negative, that was her choice because she always saw him as an authority.
Authority. Huh.
तुमने उनके लिए क्या किया
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
is your thing.
You were telling about your youngest sister or daughter also, na? Sometimes she would come. That role. I'm telling about that role. What we do, we try to protect. How can you say this to my mom? And
Yes.
yeah, that is the thing. And then now, obviously, that matter wouldn't be that. Now it is about father and me, because it will. Sometimes what will happen later on? What will happen? It will start father, like it will start about those people. Like you will be out of the picture. Then because they have done so much of work, it will be why relationship is like this. So there you have to see the power struggle in that game. And then I was like, Mom, why you are stopping me?
नहीं, what do
Why
you
you
choose
stopping
now?
me?
What do you choose
Huh?
now?
Sorry.
What do you choose now?
I chose self-focus, and I chose this lesson which is talking about you have to not get triggered, and that I'm not what they are saying. And I choose my own battles, and I choose it's her story to stand for herself if she wants to, if that is required, if that will be required. If they are triggering me, then be that, which Anshika also told, but I don't know how, but that image is coming up, which she taught something that yeah, we all were talking now, purple, this purple here, blue sky. Let them have that opinion of me from the past, from their own grudges. Let me have my own opinion of what I am doing,
What
and
I'm
let me,
doing
if
and
they were
how
thinking,
I see my future. Because you only are
yeah,
one who can see
i
the
thought i'm
future.
I thought I'm working and I'm taking the time. If they think you should be, they can ask me to be in the kitchen, right? It will not be like they can ask, they have to ask. It will not be you are presumed to do this. Today also something happened. My father was like, "You are presumed. ये पता होना चाहिए." I said, "Nothing पता नहीं है. Don't think. All the fight will be पता होना चाहिए. You have to tell me. I'm not pata hona wala thing. Uh, like this has to be done. Yeah." I said, "You have to tell me. What if you can tell me?" Um, but in the sense, if I was doing some mobile work and I was like, can I take 5 minutes to go to parlor? Right? He can say na. He was fighting that कि तुम्हें पता नहीं है this पता होना वाला. I say I'm just asking you. Can I? He can politely say that no. पहले ये काम कर ले mobile thing and we are already late. You should answer. You should not shout. That was me. You should not shout. You can tell me.
Can you change him?
Yeah, I cannot. But he later on understood because then what happened? Mobile, that thing took time to laminate, to put the cover. And I went. I took my
Hmm.
theory. I did what I wanted to do.
Hmm.
I talked to that shopkeeper. I told dad, you have to be polite. Yeah, there, my way could have been more polite. I was standing, which Anshika was saying, why you are saying proving yourself yesterday or day before, that I have to prove that I can do this, that I have to prove. Because he was going against that thing. Then what I did, I took the stand. Okay, you want me to be independent? Now let me talk to the shopkeeper. Let me do this. Let me be in the theory. I took the theory. Everything. I'm like becoming that thing today. And yeah, so clarity in me, what I'm doing. But I also realize how I can do politely.
Hmm.
Yeah,
Mm.
maybe because that is getting triggered. I have no idea. Then I also say, like, the words can come out differently. That uh, melt down or you have to be polite. I start teaching him that you have to be polite. I don't know how I can say something else. I have no idea about it.
There are times when
I
people
feel
imitate you as well. तो पापा ने
mm,
गुस्से से बोला तो यू स्टार्टेड इमिटेटिंग हिम. चलो मैं भी उतने ही
mm,
गुस्से से बोलूंगी. मे बी
उतना ही हाँ.
if you don't snap at the same level, if you talk
Mm,
politely, वो जो रेपो बिल्डिंग वाली चीज होती है वो तो वहां पे ब्रेक डाउन हो जाएगी. देन ईदर ही विल हैव टू स्टॉप और ही विल हैव टू कम टू दैट लेवल ऑफ
What I
लैंग्वेज.
always try to teach, what I always try to
Why do
teach,
you
okay,
want to
I'm
teach?
lowering the volume.
तुम क्यों टीच
I
कर?
am lowering the volume. No, teach means I am lowering the volume. Can you also do that? Teach in the sense, yeah, I'm a teacher over there. I say, I am trying to lower the volume. Can you also do? Let's talk. Let's have the communication. If you want to talk, let's continue, but lower the volume. Let's do that. Matlab, I would love to communicate endless, but talk. Don't shout.
कोमल, कोमल, कोमल,
Yes, yes.
कोमल सुनो ना.
Yeah.
अगर मैं तुमसे इस वॉल्यूम में बात करूंगी, तुम कितनी देर मुझसे शाउट करके बात कर सकती हो?
Yes, that only I'm saying. See, okay, you are saying why to tell that person to lower the volume. Okay.
Let's hear it from
Hmm.
Vanshika.
मीन्स वही टॉवेल वाला सीन, आज मैं रख रही हूँ, प्लीज कल आप रख लो.
और 5 दिन भी
बस,
बोल दोगे, 7 दिन भी बोल दोगे, हमारा कुछ नहीं हटने
कुछ
वाला
नहीं
है.
जाएगा.
But
Yes.
eventually they will start doing it.
Yes.
Let's hear it from
But what
Vanshika.
happens is when you are getting triggered, so here we were not triggered. Karishma wasn't triggered, I thought. Like if you're triggered, already triggered, then
Everybody
you
is a
forget.
trigger. Triggered is a choice. हमने आधी book खत्म कर ली कोमल. Triggered is a choice.
कोमल, क्या
Yes.
पता मैं trigger
Reacting
हो
in a
रही हूँ.
anger or politeness is a choice. So if you're getting triggered, you're
Hmm.
making that choice. Karishma, you
Choice,
said is not
definitely.
triggered. Yeah, you're making that choice.
नहीं नहीं, हो सकता
Choice,
है I am
yeah, I
For
triggered.
understand.
हो सकता है I am
yeah,
triggered.
you don't know.
I
Yeah,
choose
you
to
don't know,
use
but
the
she's
language
choosing.
in my
Mhm.
favor. I choose to use the language that turns out in my favor.
Wow,
Even
wow.
if triggered,
Loved
definitely,
it.
then also we can choose.
You can choose other.
Sometimes,
Yeah.
sometimes I would suggest be understanding also. Ki we don't know what type of upbringing, environment he was in, right? So
Definitely.
that way he is with you that way. But you have to prove your, not prove, but you have to show your politeness, respectful, the way his authority is to you.
Mm.
You show your respect. My suggestion, obviously,
Let's hear it from
by
you.
And
changing
yeah,
that.
yeah, yesterday pretty much this I said, right? You only show power where you can show power, na? So example is I will like बच्चे पे गुस्सा आया I will slap बच्चा, but उतना ही गुस्सा पति पे भी आता है, but it never occurs to me कि मैं उसको मारूंगी, क्योंकि मुझे पता है वहां से वापस मिल सकता है. There is a possibility,
वापस मिल सकता
right?
है.
So I know that is a possibility. Like गुस्सा आ रहा है आप
करिएगा. है ना? That is reality ना?
यहाँ से
Reality.
वापस
yeah,
आया तो
boss
बड़ा
boss पे
बुलाएगा.
बहुत बुरा होगा बॉस पे, because we are not like that. Consequence is not in our favor. गुस्सा आया पियोन पे चिल्ला लेते हो, right? क्या ऐसे नहीं रख सकता है, ये वो है. उतना ही गुस्सा बॉस पे आ रहा है, बोल के दिखाओ उतनी ऊंची आवाज में. नहीं बोलते, we choose, right?
बॉस का टेबल
Yes.
खराब होगा, तुम खुद भी साफ कर दोगे. चुप.
हम हाँ.
So why not with
So
our
that,
parents, our closest ones, right?
yeah, so we
Be
are making that
patient,
choice. Why
but
not with, yeah.
you have to just इतना सा thin line रहता है, patience and reaction. बस वहीं पे we have to stop.
What I can understand is what happens is we are wanting the same thing. We are wanting that love. We are craving for that respect. Because if I'm empty, I am feeling why I'm not being treated that way. The question, that's that whole power struggle thing. That why I am not getting. He's also thinking why I am not getting. So empty vessels are fighting.
कोई
It
बात
is
नहीं,
if you have.
go ahead and hug him. कोई बात नहीं.
That happens every day. It was Monday. I was just blessing them, hugging them good night, and next day it can happen. We don't know. These things happen. So every day is different.
Yes,
Every
likewise,
day.
every day we get up in the morning.
Because why this happens? Because we are so close, extremely close. Like we just reflect each other. That's why these things happen. Each other's energy is exchanging somehow, something different. Yeah, that's it.
But can you choose to be at a higher frequency when others are going down? Can you become the bigger one? That is a choice that you make.
Yes,
Anshika, bolo.
definitely.
Come
Yeah, for
on.
me, the biggest bulb on, like, in a different, am I speaking right? Yeah,
Can
I'm not on mute. Yeah, so for me, it's like, take out the filter of being in competition, uh, like not with the intention of winning or losing. Like that last line was that, right? So
Yes.
it concludes everything. Like, stop imagining that this is a, like, feeling or perceiving that it is a competition, or it's a, like, it's a something that I have to win or lose. So if we take out that filter, then the discussion becomes neutral. Like, there is no cost attached to us now. Like, if you're not losing or winning, then there is no cost. So okay, this is pure, so that was a takeaway for the discussion we
अच्छी
had.
बात तो ये है कि
I
इस इंटेंशन को दिमाग में रखें कि nobody is saying anything with bad intention. I think that becomes even more easier कि हम उस
which
competition में
chapter
ना
is
जाएं.
this? Which chapter is this?
Yeah, this just last line.
The last
No, no,
line
I
that
meant
we read was
chapter number so that I can just even print out these pages.
we are still on the second night.
Second night, okay.
Oh, it's
Hmm.
a long night.
Yes, it is a long night. Let me check इस book में कितनी nights हैं. Second night पे हम हैं 5 nights हैं. Okay. There is a lot more to learn. Okay. Anjana ji, do you want to share anything from your life's experience?
Yeah, means today, I think 15 minutes I have connected with you all, and means my mind is going in a different track. I'm not understanding. Means I was feeling that I'm accepting my husband's activities, some of the activities which I'm not liking, but I was feeling कि शांत रहो कुछ नहीं बोलो, accept करो, चुप रहो बोलते बोलते लास्ट में थक गए. Then he will himself sudhrofy, or he will change his activities, or I'll just ignore कि जो हो रहा है अब उसको बर्दाश्त करो करके. So आप लोगों को सुनने के बाद now I'm feeling कि was I doing that, was my this activity was correct, और जैसे रेणु जी बोल रहे हैं कि ऐसे politely बोलो, एंड करिश्मा जी बोल रहे हैं 5 times बोलो 7 times बोलो. सो आई एम थिंकिंग कि मतलब क्या मैंने बोलने में कमी छोड़ी.
It's about,
So
it
there are
is
so
most,
many
no, it is,
checkings going inside my head. I am not understanding what that my activities are going correct in the right path, or there is some mistakes in my activities. I'm not able to understand,
it's
as
about,
he
were you,
he has developed he
वही,
has developed a habit of leaving his vessels after eating in the room, not cleaning the room, and um, even uh, it is 20 to 25 days that एकदम means एकदम light mood में. uh, I don't even feel, even if I'm recalling that scene, I'm not even feeling कि इसमें कोई बंदा इतना ज्यादा मतलब attitude दिखा सकता है. But since 20 to 25 days he's not eating at home, means I'm not understanding. I have accepted all the scenes, but I'm thinking मतलब क्या चीज का ये दिखा रहे हैं, मतलब why is he not eating, why is he bringing the food from outside? So uh, 5 days 7 days I'll not ask him, then again I'll क्या बाहर ही खाते रहेंगे, क्या खाना नहीं खाना है घर पे, कितना दिन खाएंगे. बट कोई असर ही नहीं हो रहा है, कोई असर ही नहीं हो रहा है. मीन्स व्हाट इज ही वांट विलिंग टू शो, और व्हाट एम आई नॉट सीइंग, आई एम नॉट अंडरस्टैंडिंग. एंड दिस एटीट्यूड हैज बिकम हिज habit since 2 years or 3 years. I'm not understanding ki means how should I accept, or how should I help him to change. Means nothing is coming clear in my vision. आई कांट अंडरस्टैंड कि बंदे को मैं समझ नहीं पा रही हूँ, या आई एम ऑल्सो शोइंग सम ईगो फ्रॉम माई बिहेवियर टू हिम. Means so many queries were going when you all four were talking to. Means otherwise abhi tak I had accepted all the scenes जो चल रहा है चल रहा है भगवान भरोसे चल रहा है. बट आप लोगों के चारों के बात सुनने के बाद मेरा दिमाग नॉक करना शुरू कर दिया है कि तेरे को
पर इसका
कुछ
मतलब
करना
ये
है
नहीं है
क्या.
कि लड़ाई करनी है. इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि लड़ाई करनी है.
नो
यू
नो दैट इज
यू हैव टू
नहीं,
स्टार्ट.
दैट इज नॉट गोइंग एट ऑल.
हाँ, यू हैव टू स्टार्ट
That is not going at all.
हाँ बोलो.
हेलो.
हाँ जी बोलो.
हाँ करिश्मा, आपने कुछ बोला, आपका लिप सिंक हो रहा था
हाँ, वो
बट मुझे
सुनाई
कुछ
नहीं
आवाज
दिया.
नहीं आई.
हाँ,
अच्छा. So
हाँ
I'm
same.
saying that whatever is happening in your heart and soul right now, I want you to reflect on the fact that while you were not communicating your expectations anyhow from your husband, is it that you both in the process separated?
Yes, this I think means what to say.
10
I
साल हो गए
hardly
तो
remember.
कम्युनिकेट ही नहीं किया बैठ के आराम से एक दूसरे से क्या
Yes, yes,
चाहते.
this you are saying, Karishma, you are saying totally correct. Means I think I have not created any bonding with him in since the last 33 years we have married. But I don't think that I have created any bonding with him of talking to him. I don't remember even कि I've talked to him uh, as a husband and wife in my life even. कभी भी किया है तो झगड़ा ही हुआ है, तो मतलब, और वो भी मुश्किल से 2 या 4 बार ही किया है, अदरवाइज कभी टॉक ही नहीं किया. So I'm not able to I and since some years I have left मतलब everything I have accepted, and I am now uh, have made so much peace in my heart कि I'm doing my own task, he's doing his own task, and we are not बस कोई काम रहता है तो बोल दिया, बस बात खत्म. But why I am means अभी आप लोगों की बात हो रही है, then I'm thinking कि जब छोड़ दिया तो छोड़ दिया ना, but again when I'm listening to you, why is my heart again going towards him.
Because there is
एक
some
किनारे
vacuum.
बैठ गया तो
So every girl has a
There is a
desire.
tagline.
क्या?
Yeah, तेरा है पर मेरा है.
Yes.
Right? He's yours. Your heart will go for sure.
And then every girl has a
is
desire.
coming means I'm thinking कि I've left it.
वही थोड़ा सा नेटवर्क इशू है.
Yeah, Anjana ji, you left it because that was easier. Conflict से away, right?
देखो शॉर्ट
Yeah,
टर्म
When you
हार्मनी के
don't,
चक्कर में लॉन्ग टर्म हार्मनी खराब हो गई.
but at deep down, you
correct,
wanted
correct.
that what you're
This
wanting
is,
now.
yes, therefore it is coming. बहुत सही अंशिका, you have means checked. That was easy, therefore I have left.
Anshika, I would love
And
to
I
ask,
was
what
and I
is
was
that wanting
feeling
now thing? Wanting now में क्या आ सकता है?
Whatever her wanting, sorry. I don't know,
Okay, okay,
like whatever she wants, like
okay.
maybe that is a communication, a healthy communication, or maybe spending more
mm,
time with him, or something that he acknowledges. Like for me, the biggest thing is, मैं इतना करती हूँ तुम्हें दिखता क्यों नहीं है? We had this argument forever. Like यार मैं
Right.
पूरे दिन काम कर रही हूँ, तुम आके बोलते हो करती क्या हो तुम? So
Yes,
it
yes,
can be
definitely.
anything. What is her wanting? I don't know that, Anjana.
Yeah,
I'm
yeah.
just assuming. So these are few
Understood.
basic that happen. So yeah, whatever her wanting is.
used to
Right.
You
this used to be my कि he doesn't acknowledge. But now from some years I'm wishing कि we can communicate at least of his being. Why I don't understand. And there is I feel कि it is the both side. He'll talk to his cousins, his sisters, or my children, my daughter-in-law, my son, but he won't communicate it to me. anything.
Hmm.
So means there is some, I understand that there is some there was my some way, my patterns which he disliked. Therefore, he doesn't feel that I am not a person to share. So I understand, but I'm still after from on the what to say means I'm doing from 2011 I'm meditating and I'm into spiritual path and all these things. अभी मैं self development में भी हूँ, ये सब कर रही हूँ and I'm thinking कि मैं शांत हो गई तो मैंने वो लिया, but अंशिका checked me very well कि मतलब that was easy therefore, and I was thinking कि मैं evolve हो गई हूँ, but now I am not able to understand कि means I don't want to die like this means uh, some with the failure tag in any
Hmm.
relationship be it, and this is the most valuable relationship for everyone. So I don't want to die with this tag that I have not lived a life fulfilled, जिसमें कि husband is also not satisfied and I am also not satisfied and गाड़ी चल रही है बस एक दिन डेथ बेड पे आ जाना है. So but I'm not able to see the रास्ता कि how to means
अब आप क्या
Karishma,
चाहते हो? Finally, what do
Karish,
you want now?
Karishma,
I
that thing.
want a good
More power to you.
communication,
Hoot hoot. Hoot
acceptance,
hoot. More power to you.
no, I'm not. Thank you so much. But this is very nice कि मेरे को अंदर वो पेन बहुत देर देर तक रहता नहीं है. But I wish कि means एक communication होना चाहिए.
Okay. And where does
और
that
And
start?
communication बन
How can you make
uh,
it happen from your end?
not able to understand Karishma. Not at all. Means he's a puzzle for me. Reaching to him is a
Write
puzzle
it,
for me.
introspect, write it. फिर निकलेगा धीरे धीरे.
See,
What to
there
write?
is one very beautiful thing. Like this
Mhm.
is law of attraction, manifestation. This is a very common line you must have. Give more of what you want.
Yes,
Mhm,
very
It's as
nice.
simple
mhm.
as that.
Right.
Whatever you
But
want, start
Anshika,
giving more of it.
what you are saying ना means I feel कि अक्खा life यही किया था.
Hmm.
Give,
But we had the filter. Like
take.
aaj we learned. Yeah, I understood that. Aaj we learned without the filter of competition, winning and losing. Don't have the filter of losing and winning now. As long as we are attaching the consequence कि मैं दे रही हूँ, now he will start communicating, then it's a winning. Like I am expecting for a win, but don't expect for the win or losing कि अगर मैंने दिया and he is not responding, so it's my lose, like I'm losing it, not that way. And Anjana, I can so much resonate with you. I have been married for 12 years, okay, and like this is like I normally don't share, but like for last 6 years, like when my daughter, our relationship is good, my husband's and I relationship is good. The problem is like it's not a problem. So 6 years back I had my daughter and we separated sleeping. Like I am sleeping with my daughter, he sleeps in his room. We do all the things what we want to do, but we are sleeping different. Okay, recently I got to know this is called sleep divorce. That's a psychological term for that, and I am answering this you will get what I'm telling. So sleep divorce. And now somehow when I heard that word, I felt so bad. Like I am not separated. I don't want to be separate. I have a good relationship with my husband. But somehow I'm feeling that something that a bonding is there is not there anymore. For last 6 years, I never acknowledged, but now I felt, right? So, and we are now very comfortable. Like he snores, okay, and he sleeps on soft bed. These are my reasons to not sleep with him, okay. And I'm like, so couple of days back, I asked, you don't want to sleep. Like now our daughter is big enough, so she can sleep herself. I can go back sleeping with him. But I asked, like, don't you want to sleep back with me? Like, can't we have in same room? We haven't been in same room for very long yet. And he said, if you want, we can. And now it's work for me to overcome how I'm sleeping without his snoring, because my daughter don't snore and I'm comfortable sleeping with that. So now breaking my that comfort, I like to sleep on very hard bed. He sleeps on a very plushy bed. So now I have to go back to sleeping on that mattress, or should I ask him to get a hard mattress? So these are hard things that I need to do. And for me, in my brain, it's too much work and I am finding ways not to sleep. Right? So what I am doing, basically, I am fulfilling my need of choosing easy. And the reason I gave you a very personal thing is just to make you understand, just because it's easy, we are choosing it. Easier for our brain. Not in actually, it's actually hard. So it's short-term harmony. What Karishma said, it's a short-term harmony I am choosing. 2 महीने में मेहनत कर लूं कि अच्छा ठीक है चलो तुम्हारे खराटे के साथ ही सो लेती हूँ. It will be back. But वो 2 महीने का काम करने के लिए I have to do a lot of work in my head also. And same is for you. When you are communicating, I know in the beginning, पागल हो गई है क्या, तुझे कितनी बातें करनी है, those things will come. But you give what you are giving.
अगर इतने टाइम से इतनी बबली बातें ना करी हो, it will be very awkward कि इसको अचानक से क्या हो गया, ये ऐसी कौन सी क्लास
क्या
में
हो गया?
ये. So and he might say कि यार ये अभी तो स्पिरिचुअल पाथ पे चली थी, अभी इसको क्या हो गया, इसको मुझसे बात क्यों करनी है. All of a sudden such questions are going to arise. But then when you know, अगर आप पहले से prepared हो कि these are questions that are going to come, you will be prepared here in your head. You will not take them as attacks. You will know that this was
No,
bound.
Karishma, one thing I would like to say, as means that those types of talks doesn't come in my mind कि अब वो means वैसा bubbly वाला talks तो
It's not bubbly. It's about, you can talk about the future. You can talk about your kids. You can talk about
normal हाँ house tasks, children's talks and all this normal talks we want कि भाई normal सा जवाब दो. आपसे हम कुछ बात करें तो आप हमें नॉर्मल सा जवाब दे दो. And it happens that if I am asking him something, if I am talking to him something, if I am saying him something, his expressions or his way of replying back is totally different when he replies to me or even he doesn't present any relative of ours. So I feel he doesn't wish to talk to me. Means there is no relationship between us.
मुझे पता है क्या दिखता है इसमें.
So sometimes I feel कि, am I why our relationship again better go in our relationship, and so why is it hurting my heart? Means why am I wishing कि हम लोग को communicate करना चाहिए. भाई जैसे चल लेना शांति से.
I think
But अभी आप लोग सब बात
why you
रहे
why
थे
you
तो
have to
मुझे
think
वो
why it is
सारा
happening. Just accept the feelings.
feelings आने लग गया
Why not
कि
just
ये
accept the feelings?
Nobody ever told like accept the feelings.
बस
You don't have to accept what you're not feeling good. कुछ अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है, you will work for it now. That's the purpose we all five
No,
are in this room.
he is feeling why I'm getting these thoughts. I'm saying just accept you are getting these thoughts. Just
Yeah, you are
accept
good.
that.
Okay.
acknowledge it. Acknowledge it.
He's saying
Acknowledge, yeah.
why
That's
I'm
why
now getting
telling
those thoughts.
you to introspect today, jot it down if possible, and choose your important. What is more important? You have to find yourself. And we are here to help you out. Everyone is in the room.
Yeah.
Yes.
And
If
thank
these
you,
are the
Komal.
new
Sorry, I
thoughts,
misunderstood. Yeah.
yeah.
Beautiful,
If these
beautiful
are the new thoughts
perspective. Yeah.
coming up, I meant why to think why I'm getting these thoughts, why I want to meet him, why I want to even same Anshika and everyone, even I have the same topic with my husband, right? I'm also in the same situation. Same. All go through some of the other things. It's not like we have to tag like every relationship has to be this way. But I'm saying it is helpful for me also. What Anjana shared. So even I'm thinking I don't have to think why behind my feelings.
Listen.
Right.
Can I share one story of today? I was
Sure.
on Instagram. I was reading was that ki love marriage or arranged marriage, whatever, fine. We find we find qualities. Because of that, we fall in love and marry that person, right? But after some times, when we stay with them for years and years, and that hate comes out, and you don't want to live with that person. But at the same time, when we see our children, same way, right? But we accept all their flaws to be with them, right? To be with them, to nourish them, to nurture them, and to set an example for them also by putting our ego down, putting our things down first there. What is important? Marriage? It is important to you. If it is, you accept the way he's accepting, we should also accept all the flaws, all the problems we have. And obviously, and communication is must, but you have to change your way. Every day you have to think and change your way of communication, I feel. Every day you have to work on it. Every day.
So the thing is, for very long time, you have not communicated the difficult talks, because of which now you feel कि अब तो ये बहुत मुश्किल काम है. I'd rather not get into this. You have brushed all that was in your heart under the carpet, और वो carpet अभी इतना सारा उसके नीचे गंद हो गया कि वो ऊंचा 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 उठना शुरू हो गया है. अब वो इतना
From
ऊंचा.
the from the first day of my life, we have never talked of a single problem at house. We have not talked to each other because my father-in-law was he used to live with us. Means he passed away in 2020. Before that, he was the guardian of our house, and my husband was just a small son. Like, matlab, he used to treat him as a chota ladka. Means, so we were his children. We were his children. So everything we had to talk to him. So we didn't, and we were married very in a very young age. So we didn't develop a habit of talking to each other. We did not know ki we did not know ki we sometimes we used to feel afraid, sometimes we used to feel shy, and all these things were in our life. So we never developed a nature of talking to each other.
चलो अभी तक जो हो गया वो हो गया. Your past cannot
Mhm.
determine your future. Whatever,
Mhm.
so whatever has happened in the past, don't take it as an evidence for the future. Start
Yes.
building new things from now on. Try to start talking. At least hello, good morning,
What
कैसे,
I am getting is,
how has been
we
your day?
can
Hmm.
visualize. You can visualize a beautiful thing can happen. If it doesn't, then you accept your feelings that I tried and these were my feelings. If it happens, there can be a beautiful journey ahead. And see, we normally do not like to say not happening, but if it doesn't, you would know Anjana did this very beautifully. You would know that Anjana tried it. Anjana accepted her feelings. Anjana did this. I'm getting for myself also these vibes. I would know Komal tried this. Komal did this. Consequences are not in our hands. Like what is going to happen and what are the stages. It
Do
can
you
be
believe in your
you are.
heart what you are expecting, what you are wanting?
Komal, your voice is breaking.
अंजना जी एंड कोमल दोनों के लिए ये क्वेश्चन है. Whatever you are seeking, do you truly believe in your heart that it shall come true? It will come true?
I believe it. मतलब I definitely would say sometimes I
करिश्मा जी,
get
आपने क्या क्वेश्चन
so-
किया? आपकी आवाज पूरी टूट गई थी.
sometimes I
I didn't
get
get your question.
I'll come back.
wavering thought. She's asking that do you believe that things can get in your dreams? Do you believe in your dreams or yeah, in your good type of relationship, that anything good can manifest. Do you believe in that?
What you don't believe
Okay.
will not happen. You have to
Means
first start believing in it.
A
means
lot of
it's a
work will be
desire.
required.
I think it has gone into a desire only.
Desires जो होती हैं, they are dreams, and dreams do come to
Mhm.
reality. They come into action
Yeah.
if you believe in your dreams.
Healing energies and so many things, so many modalities, and your work can help
We
in
are
nature.
reading the power of the subconscious mind, Komal. It has so many beautiful examples. It has so many beautiful, things that it tells कि अगर आपका subconscious mind actually में believe कर लेता है what your conscious mind is thinking, it will come true no matter what.
For Anshika, I am thinking that she has got a good bed and no snoring. Solution, subconscious
No,
mind.
Make practical
no,
do,
no,
tip
no.
do,
It's just acceptance. Yeah.
make
Sorry,
practical
याद है
tip
मुझे.
do.
Why cannot solutions
हाँ
come
जी.
out? Like you have got the
करिश्मा,
beautiful things come out.
make practical solution do इन सब चीजों के लिए.
हाँ दो.
चलेगा ना? I can.
बिल्कुल, बिल्कुल.
आप बस 2 चीजें करो, जो उनका फेवरेट है वो बनाओ और सर्व कर दो. सबका दिल का पेट सही होता
Done.
है.
All these are tested and experimented and
कोई बात नहीं, कोई
कर
बात नहीं.
करके
फिर
हाँ,
से.
done
फिर से
Start from the
करो.
bottom up.
and now so there is means all these desires have gone from my heart also.
That is what you
Totally
think.
left.
Again, this is, but अभी फिर से आ गए वो desires ना. See, 6 years I had no desire of sleeping, but that word sleep divorce triggered me. मैंने कहा यार क्यों, like why are, and now we are having fun. Like whenever we are not eating, like the time my husband comes back from home, I'm already in bed. He comes very late. Okay, so now I make fun. हम तो अब dinner divorce भी हो गए हैं, right? So we are doing everything divorce. If he's watching something, some movie, and then I said like I will be watching, and then he watches without me. I'm like, अब तुमने movie divorce भी दे दिया मुझे. So that is becoming a fun now, so that I make it, because it is difficult. As I said, it is difficult for me. I have to go out of my comfort zone to do it and do it again. पहले करते थे, it was easy. You said पहले आपका नहीं था. That's the scenario you said, right? कि पहले आप करते थे, कभी नहीं किया. बट अभी जब मन में आया है, मन में किसी रीजन से आ रहा है ना, दैट इज अ डिजायर. वी ऑल हैव सम डिजायर्स. 6 साल से मुझे भी कभी नहीं आया डिजायर, बट उस क्लिक के बाद आया कि नहीं यार मुझे भी अब वापस से जाना चाहिए, एंड इट हैज बीन टाइम नाउ, राइट?
What if
सो
you
नाउ
can
द
try
डिजायर,
and sorry.
yeah,
Yeah,
I
sorry.
will do something, but now just the thought came. Definitely it's not that big of a deal. Like उस आदमी के साथ मैं 12 साल से हूँ.
नहीं,
It is not
नीरज
that
also
difficult, and
snores.
it's
सुनो, नीरज also snores. मैं उसका पिल्लो खींच देती हूँ जितनी बार वो तेज तेज करता है. वो तो क्या हुआ, मेरे को
see,
yours
one of the solution I got earplugs. I got earplugs.
नहीं, उसके नोज पे प्लग लगा दो
Right?
यहाँ पे.
He don't snore
Sellotape
all nights.
लगाने से
Just
and there
yeah,
is
he
a tip
just snores in the starting.
listen.
Yeah, but yeah, snoring is not important. Sorry, Anjana. हाँ जी.
हाँ. नहीं मैं बोल रही थी नोज पे सेलोटेप लगाने से भी सुना है मैंने कि यहाँ पे एक
सुना है.
सेलोटेप लगाने
He,
से भी
when
होगा.
he just fall asleep, and see, I am picking myself also the moment I'm saying it. Why I have to justify myself, right?
और
Okay, so
For Anjana ji,
Okay.
I'm think what thing came in mind was, you can tell him that it is matlab, we don't know about his nature, definitely we don't know what his other side, but you can see I want to give. Maybe your thought can be that, or your even verbally it can be that I want to give thing.
I also have a suggestion.
Yes, करिश्मा बोलिए.
Do you guys go out to dine? Make it a ritual.
yeah,
Go at least once in a
very good one. Oh, मैं तो once in a week बोल रही थी, but हाँ once in a month भी ठीक है.
मैंने start with once in a month.
Starting.
Start slow. Just tell him, I want to
Yeah,
go
start
out
slow.
and have dinner or lunch, whatever. आप उनको बोलो तो सही, क्या पता वहीं से गाड़ी स्टार्ट हो जाए. Let's see how does it work, right?
This thing came in my mind, Karishma, and once I last went when in what festival was there? Shayad it was Raksha Bandhan, I guess. At that time, I asked him कि चलिए कहीं बाहर चलते हैं because I don't eat बाहर का food. So साथ में चलेंगे गए and we did some shopping in house groceries and all these things we bought from a shop, from a mall. And then I asked him कि खाना खाना है बाहर, तो बोले तुमको तो खाना नहीं है. हम बोले चलो ले लो, चलो बैठना है तो कहीं हम बैठेंगे, कोई दिक्कत नहीं, आप खाइए, नहीं तो फिर पैक करा के
You
घर
can
पे
have
चलते हैं.
salads. You
तो
can have salad.
yes, yes, I can have, but means वो चीज उस चीज के लिए हमारे घर में अब हैबिट हो गई है, सबको एक्सेप्टेड हो गया कि आई डोंट ईट फूड बाहर का.
You can change
So
any.
that has gone.
Can you change?
Yes,
You can
Yeah,
change.
can you
yes,
change
I
it?
will get. Yes,
Yeah,
I can
try
change
new
it.
things.
I can change it.
Till the time you are doing the same thing, you will be getting the same result. So
Yeah,
something has
yeah,
to
yeah,
change.
yeah. So I take ice creams with them कि चलो आइसक्रीम हम ले लेते
आइसक्रीम
हैं.
डेट पे
कोई
चले जाओ.
कोई हाँ,
आइसक्रीम डेट्स
I
कर
can
लो.
I will take हाँ
Long
juices
walk
and
आइसक्रीम
all
के
these
साथ,
things.
वाह वाह वाह. मैं तो
और
देख
some
रही हूँ
juices,
अंजना.
Yeah.
I don't have seen your
juices,
husband, but I can see both of you.
some juices also, like you can have
Yeah,
juices,
something.
anything.
Yeah. That we take.
Purpose is to spend time, more time.
Mhm,
And one more
mhm,
thing clicked when Karishma was sharing.
Coffee.
So many of the times,
mhm.
and this is also a mistake I did in my relationship, and then I learned, we do things that we like. मुझे बात
Yes,
करना
that is
अच्छा
true.
लगता है. जैसे for my husband, the act, there is a book also, 5 love languages. So for him is act of service. Like अगर मैं उनकी प्लेट में उनको अच्छे से खाना लगा के भी देती हूँ, it's a big thing. Right now we are not having that luxury also. So any day when I'm like उनका खाना परोस दिया, it's a very big, and he says that अरे वाह आज तो खाना परोस दिया, बहुत अच्छा लग गया. The reason of us both doing, his is act of service, mine is word of appreciation. He gave me तारीफ on plate सजाओ. Like it's a very small thing I did. Like एक खाने का
But then
प्लेट
it was,
लगाना, बना हुआ खाना 2 मिनट लगता है.
yes,
But we learned this.
खुश तो मिलती है,
We
खुशी तो
learned it.
मिलती है ना. You
Yes, Anshika,
हाँ,
that only I was trying to say to her. कि do
कि
that
हाँ
ritual.
उनको जो
Yes.
अच्छा लगता है. हाँ मतलब मैं क्या करती थी, मैं उनकी तारीफ करती थी. That was my learning. Like because I like तारीफ, so I was doing his तारीफ. Like, okay, do this. आपने तो ये किया, वाह वाह मजा आ गया, मुझे तो बहुत अच्छा लगा. But him is act of service. And now that we both learned, so
How
he is
to
doing
know
more of.
others'
And
love
he used to
language.
do things whenever there is a book. You can,
the book.
yeah, 5 love languages.
That
So
was the
either you
second
can
book
choose
that I
that or,
read in my
oh
life.
nice.
But I was
Yeah.
saying
So
how to know husband's
there
love
is a
language,
test.
any other
If
person.
उसके अंदर एक
if you
quiz
read,
दिया हुआ है.
see, yeah, in
Okay.
the back of the book there is quiz, and anyway you know what they like. So my husband, whenever he want to make me happy, he will do, चलो आज मैं तुम्हारे बर्तन धो देता हूँ, आज मैं तुम्हारे पौधों में पानी डाल देता हूँ. एंड मुझे लगता था यार तुम बर्तन धोगे, आधे बर्तन तो तुम ऐसे ही छोड़ देते हो, पानी डालते हो, तुम्हें तो पता ही नहीं कौन से पौधे में कितना पानी डालना है. Right?
Yes.
So for me to accept also it's difficult, क्योंकि मेरा love language है ही नहीं सर्विस का. मुझे अपना काम अपने आप
Word
करना अच्छा लगता है. So
appreciation.
when they are doing something, and if you go back Anjana and see he is doing something for you, that is maybe not your love language. Right? अब मेरा पति मेरे लिए
Correct.
बर्तन धोता है, मुझे अब समझ में आ गया है कि he is doing out of love, and मेरे को, so that he thinks कि I will have lesser work so I can spend time with him.
क्योंकि उसकी लव लैंग्वेज
And मुझे लगता है कि तुमने बर्तन धो के रख दिया है, अब मुझे उसमें से ढूंढना पड़ेगा तुमने कौन से बर्तन कहाँ रखे हैं. सुबह मुझे टिफिन नहीं मिलेगा, उसका ढक्कन नहीं मिलेगा, दैट विल बी एक्स्ट्रा वर्क फॉर मी. तुम कर ही क्यों रहे हो, मैं खुद कर लूंगी.
I'm also
बट नाउ आई
learning here
लर्न
so
टू
many things.
अप्रिशिएट कि चलो वो 15 मिनट जो मैं बर्तन धोने में लगाती. बाय द वे आई लिव इन यूएस, तो यहाँ मेड नहीं आती है, तो या हमें अपने बर्तन खुद ही धोने पड़ते हैं.
And
So yes.
what I could also matlab, take out from these lines are I'm trying from 1 year by writing appreciation, positivity, law of attraction, but it's not going in his head because his love language is not my love language. I'm doing what I like.
दोनों दूसरी,
This
एक
law of attraction,
जापानीज एक
positivity,
चाइनीज बोल रहा है, कैसे कम्युनिकेट करोगे? Find your
and
languages.
he's like, what is this? It's not going in his head, and his love language was like same, which was being discussed. Do something, action oriented maybe.
Act of-
बर्तन धो लो, कुछ भी कर लो, and maybe he's waiting कि कुछ करेगी, and I'm not doing anything.
Yes.
Now that you know.
या कुछ कर नहीं रही है, कुछ
रिलेशनशिप्स
बोल रही है.
सबसे प्यारी बुक है इतनी, मतलब इट इज सच अ ब्यूटीफुल बुक. मेरे पास फर्स्ट क्लाइंट जो मेरी आई थी ना, शी हैड रिलेशनशिप इश्यूज एंड वी रेड दैट बुक टुगेदर एंड दैट वाज अ सुपर बर्बन फॉर हर.
My new book.
Gift it to
Should be,
yourself.
must
That's a
be.
must read. Yeah, that's a must read for anybody who is going thoda sa bhi, even not going, to
हाँ,
make it your relationship more spiceful or colorful or vibrant. Read this book. It's not just
yeah.
relationship. My daughter's love language is touch now. It has changed. Earlier, she was not at all a cuddly, lovey person. She don't want me to hug and cuddle. But now she knows her love language is touch. So anytime I have to make a bond, I hug her. It doesn't have to be your husband. Love languages work with your clients, your people, everywhere.
Yes. I hope a lot of clarity came through this session for each one of us. And tomorrow we will be diving into overcoming the tasks that face you in life. Tasks that face us in life. Wow. Interesting. जिसको भी इच्छा होगी पढ़ने की जरूर आना. You all are welcome and I would love to have each one of you in the room. God bless you all. Sleep well. Anshika, have a wonderful day ahead. Thank you for your insights.
Thank you.
Everybody. Thank you for helping Anjana. Anjana, thank you for
Thank you,
opening
Karishma.
up your heart in this space. And
Thank
it
you so
means
much, Karishma, Komal, Renu, Anshika, everybody.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
God bless you.
Thank you.
Thank
Bye-bye.
you.
It was a
I
nice
just
class.
have
Very nice.
thank you.
Yes, yes, Anshika.
One last, yeah, not like yesterday we were conversating, and then Komal, I was telling you 5 needs, right? So you asked me love goes where. Love is another need. So there are 6 needs I was not able to list down. Love and connection is also a need. So there is certainty, uncertainty, that is variety, growth,
Yeah, love was
contribution,
there.
love, and now I forget again. But yeah, 6 are those. So love is one
Love
separate.
was
Like
there already.
now
Love was there.
love is the sixth need. So there are 6 needs. Yeah.
So
So
there I was
let me
saying love, and I was guessing it to be love, I think, yesterday, that I'm
love,
craving love.
connection. Yeah. So I was trying to put it in certainty, but certainty is more of a safety, security that you get.
So
Like
for me,
having
it
a
would be
house is a
certainty plus
certainty.
both are coming, love and certainty now, in those conversations.
Significance. 6 for significance. Yeah, I forgot significance now. So yeah.
अभी
So
है
6
क्या?
needs. So love.
Certainty, uncertainty,
एक sec.
growth, security, significance.
रुको, नहीं
Love.
नहीं नहीं नहीं, certainty and growth, certainty and security same है. Needs of
Okay.
क्या
What
needs
is
of what? Needs of?
human?
6 needs, 6 human needs. हाँ,
ये चैट जीपीटी नहीं बता देगा?
हाँ.
बता देगा बिल्कुल, गूगल पे भी है. So that is certainty, certainty, and there is 2 in darker. So first 4, like I'm just telling you a little more concept. So once the first 4 is fulfilled, then only we go for next 2, then it will work. Otherwise having last 2 but not having first 4 will mess up your life.
Please
नहीं,
tell,
एक तो हमने
please say, what are
एक
these?
तो हमने ये इकोनॉमिक्स में भी तो
First
पढ़े
is
थे किसी
certainty.
सब्जेक्ट बुक में.
हाँ, मार्शलोस लॉ का भी वो है ना, हायरार्की टेबल पढ़ा होगा. हाँ,
फिर
तो first is certainty, second is variety or uncertainty, third is significance, fourth is connection.
Love and connection. अच्छा. And then 5 and
Love
6.
and connection, belongingness, जो भी
और
बोलो.
एक
Fifth
बार और
है
repeat
growth,
करो.
sixth certainty, variety, significance, connection, fifth है growth, and sixth है contribution.
Yeah. I remember
wonderful,
the chart we used to make.
wonderful, wonderful.
So this is
Clap
Tony
for-
Robbins needs.
Clap for each of us. Wonderful.
So Google it and read more. This is by Tony Robbins, 6 Needs of Humans. Human Needs of Tony Robbins ka hai. Like, and there is a questionnaire also to know, like on his website, there is a questionnaire to know which need you are lacking in.
Okay.
So do that also.
I will go today only.
Question
No,
है ना?
I'm watching. 11:30
Yes. चलो चलो मैं
चलो.
हस्बैंड भी
We
अनिल जी
can,
भी आके देख के गए
God
कितनी
bless.
if
दिक्कत
anyone
Good
wants, we
night.
can have a recording of these if we
Yes.
want to
Yeah.
relook.
Yes.
चलो
Okay.
This is
bye-bye.
lovely session. Yeah.
Good
Thank you so
Thank
much,
you.
everybody.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Good
Good
night.
night.